This video is sponsored by True Elements India's first whole food plant-based nashta, snacks and breakfast brand. Hey guys, today we'll be making 4 healthy and delicious homemade smoothies. First up is a very simple fruit and nut smoothie. For this, you will need any fruit of your choice. I'm using an apple here, some nuts like cashews and almonds, cinnamon powder for some extra flavor, 2 dates for sweetness, and also just some milk. Into a blender, add in the diced apple pieces. Again, use any fruit that you like or what you have on hand works over here. Followed by some nuts. I'm using cashews and almonds. Feel free to use walnuts. I'm also going to be adding in some cinnamon powder since it pairs beautifully well with apples. Some dates just for some natural sweetness. And about half a cup of milk to blend all of this together. Now all you have to do is close the lid and this very simple smoothie is ready to be blended. Blend this for about a minute and your delicious smoothie is ready to go. This is a single serving recipe that provides you with about 292 calories and 7.3 grams of protein. It has some super healthy fats from the almonds and cashews, so make sure to try this recipe. Finally, I'm gonna garnish this with some chopped nuts for an added texture. And there you go, a delicious fruit and nut smoothie that is really good for your body. Enjoy! Next up, we have a wonderful tropical mango delight smoothie. For this, you will need some chopped mango and pineapple pieces, a couple of dates, half a cup of milk, some rosemary and vanilla extract. Finally, just some chilled water to blend all this together. Into a blender, add in your beautiful yellow fruits that are packed with nutrients. Followed by the dates for some natural sweetness. I'm using regular cow's milk over here, but coconut milk is a great vegan option for this recipe and it goes very well with the tropical theme. I am then adding a couple of tablespoons of water just to achieve my desired consistency. And finally, some rosemary and vanilla extract, which are both optional. You can just use some cardamom powder instead if that is what you have on hand. Now, all you have to do is close the lid and this smoothie is ready to be blended. Once again, blend this for about a minute or so until you get a nice thick smoothie. This Mango Delight smoothie provides you with about 178 calories per serving and is very filling and nutritious. Make sure to enjoy this perfect summer drink soon enough. Enjoy! For our third recipe, we have a very easy pear and pineapple smoothie. So let's get started. For this drink, you will need only 5 ingredients. I am using pear and pineapple as my choice of fruits. You can change this up according to what you have. You'll need some chilled water, honey, and also just a small piece of ginger for some added flavor. So, into a blender, add in your fruits. Both of these are rich in vitamin C and they are also a great source of antioxidants. Next up, add in the chilled water. Followed by the honey. You can also use maple syrup or agave nectar if you want to make this completely vegan. Finally, I'm gonna add in a small piece of ginger as well. This smoothie is now ready to be blended. Blend this until everything comes together. As you can see, this pineapple and pear smoothie is very easy to put together and highly customizable as well. You can substitute either of the fruits with what you have on hand. This single serving recipe of pear and pineapple smoothie will provide you with about 252 calories. Both these fruits are nutrient dense and they deliver a hefty amount of fiber, which then keeps you full for a long period of time. So make sure to try this very simple, easy recipe. Enjoy! Finally, for all the chocolate lovers out there, let's make a vegan chocolate smoothie. For this, you will need some oats. You can use rolled or quick oats over here. A quarter cup of water. Some cinnamon powder for flavor. A tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. Some banana slices. And finally, a couple of de-seeded dates. For this recipe, we need to first soak the oats. So add in the quarter cup of water and let this mixture sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once that is done, you can add it to your blender. What we're doing here is essentially making a quick oat milk. Next up, add in a couple of pinches of cinnamon powder since it pairs well with chocolate. Some cocoa powder, make sure to use the unsweetened variety. An additional quarter cup of water to help blend this. The sliced banana pieces. And finally, the dates go in as well. Close the lid and this smoothie is now ready to be blended. Blend this until everything comes together and your chocolate smoothie is ready to be enjoyed. This single serving chocolate smoothie is a low calorie recipe with a high fiber content. It is also vegan and can thereby be enjoyed by everyone. So make sure to give this a try. All these homemade smoothies are much healthier than the store-bought ones and are also very easy to put together. For example, here is a comparison of the nutritional values of a chocolate smoothie that is available in the market and the recipe that we made at home. As you can see, it has a much higher calorie content and almost triple the amount of fat. Moreover, with the homemade version, we are in complete control of the amount of sugar that we choose to add in. Here is another comparison of our mango smoothie. Since a single serving is about 250 ml, our homemade smoothie provides you with about 71 calories per 100 grams, with the added benefit of calcium, potassium, and dietary fiber. It also has a much higher protein content. So hope you try these healthy homemade smoothies. Thank you.